Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and then replace the bands on your Garmin Forerunner 45. So with the Garmin Forerunner 45, they've attached the bands using these little Phillips head screws. So you're going to need a small screwdriver like this. Usually if you purchase replacement bands on Amazon or something like that, they'll include one of these small screwdrivers. But if your new bands did not come with this little screwdriver, you may have to buy it on the side. So I'll have a link in the description to both new bands and then also this screwdriver. So once you have your new bands and your screwdriver, all you need to do is take the screwdriver and loosen up each of these screws on the band. Now I recommend doing each side one at a time so that you don't mix up which is which and lose any of the screws. So now we'll go ahead and remove the band and then reattach it. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew both of these. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you've removed both screws, the band will just pop off like this. And as you can see, it has two holes there, and it's a very simple assembly on the watch. So once you get it off and you have your new band, all you need to do is just snap it in, and it doesn't require much force. You want to make sure that it kind of snaps in and that the band is sitting very closely to the watch, both on the top and then the bottom as well. You should be able to see the little holes for the screws line up like that. Once you have the band in place, go ahead, take one of the small screws, place it in the hole, kind of like that, and then you just need to take your screwdriver and start spinning it clockwise, and that'll tighten it down. When tightening it, you don't have to apply much force. You just want to make sure that it's slightly firm. So I just place the screw in there, and then I tighten the screw using the screwdriver. And again, not too much force. So now we've removed and then replaced the bottom portion of the band. I'll do the top one now. Once you remove both screws, the band will just pop off like so, and it looks very similar to the other one. Then once you get your new band, just simply snap it on. Make sure that it's tight on both the top and the bottom, and then you can just put the screws back in and tighten them down. Now I have reattached the band on both the top and the bottom section, and we're good to go. So that's how you replace the band on your Garmin Forerunner 45. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 45 or 45S tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.